Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you guys some of the things I found at my local Dollar Tree and kind of talk about how I want to use them for my for junk journaling. Okay, so first off, I'm going to show you guys my the glue I bought, and I got 10 of them because I was planning to just pick up some Fabri-Tac from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. But then I decided to go to Dollar Tree and check them also because I found these at my Dollar Tree in the past, but the last two times I went, and then I think I even sent my husband to look for them, they didn't have them. They were completely out. So I picked up a couple of them, and my husband's like, go back and get more because it kind of sucks to run out. And honestly, I really love using the small bottles. I feel like it's nicer to have a small bottle on my desk and to use that than a huge one. So I got a bunch of those. Okay, so I have a huge bottle of Elmer's glue, and I wanted to be able to have it more easily accessible. So I found these were the smallest containers I found. So I figure I can put them in here. And I also was thinking of using the glue for either making some kind of paste, like a textured paste. I saw some recipes online and I wanted to try that out. And so that's why I got those. But I was also going to show you guys. I picked this up also. I watched Heather with Ruby and Pearl had a tutorial how to age your papers. And she actually talked about how Angie mentioned to just use some of this spackling basically as texture paste. So I wanted to try that out. So I just bought this too. I mean, for $1, that was kind of cool. I'm going to try that out. And then on the same video, she talked about using tape and alcohol ink to make like a vintage tape. So I'm going to try that out also. And I picked up nail polish. It's like a top coat. And I can't remember why I picked this up. I know I had an idea and it'll probably come back to me. But anyways, I picked this up because I had that on my list of things, but I can't remember what I was going to do with it. So anyways, and then I was looking at twine at Michael's, and they were pretty expensive. And so when I found these, I figured were a great deal. For $1, you get 3 colors. And I don't need like a huge amount because I don't use it that much, but I love these colors. So I thought this was a great deal. And then I also got these paper clips, and I love the pink, but I also love the other colors. I think that they will be really great for like a fall theme. Okay, and then I picked up these little bottles. And what I did last time I went to the Dollar Tree, I picked up these bottles. So basically, I made my own alcohol inks. I just kind of followed a tutorial online. Okay, so basically what I did was I broke open a marker and I put the inside of the marker in here, and then I filled it up with rubbing alcohol. And these were really fun. My son actually loved using them, and I'm going to show you guys. I couldn't find these bottles at Dollar Tree anymore. So basically you can just you just spray them. And what I love about these guys is washable. So my son just played around with these guys. And basically you just spray it on there. There's the red one. So I really wanted to make some more. And so I got these container. Now they don't have the spray, but I'm planning to use some Sharpies. So basically I have or my daughter has some Sharpies that are a little bit dry, and I'm going to try and see if those will work. Otherwise, I'll just go and buy a little pack of Sharpies. Okay, so basically you put the inside of a Sharpie in there, and then you just fill it up with rubbing alcohol. I'm looking at these bottles. They seem a little bit big, but anyways, I want to try it out and see how it goes. I think that will be kind of fun to do. And then I also found some ribbon, and I like these colors, and usually I work with more beige and creams, but right now I'm working on a journal with white, so I'm hoping to use this one. And then pink and burgundy. Anyways, I think they're so pretty, and these will be really nice to use in a journal also. And then I looked at their flowers, of course, and I always like to look at their smaller flowers because some of their flowers aren't that pretty. Like, you really have to look at the petals and see what looks good. And so I really like these ones. They had some pretty big ones too, but I wanted to make sure that they work for what I'm planning to do. So I think these are super pretty, and basically I just take them off. And I already started using some of these in my journals, and you'll notice that the tips, let me show you. Okay, see how there's some hard edges on there? I actually just take my scissor and cut them up a little bit so they're more rounded. Like if they're uneven, like, see that? Let's see. See how the edge, the tip of it is not like that pretty. I don't know if you can see it. When I worked with it, that's when I noticed more. So I just trimmed them. Here's one that you might be able to see better. Okay, there's that little petal that looks kind of wonky. So basically I just trimmed that off. And I like to sew these on my journals. I can put a button in the middle or bead, or just even fold them up a little bit. That would look really pretty. So anyways, I'm going to be adding these in my journals. I think they're really cute. I actually even looked at Hobby Lobby at their different flowers. That's like a great place to look for more supplies for journals. And then I also picked these up. These are great for when you basically are binding a book or gluing things, like gluing the cover down. And so I picked these up also. I thought that was a good deal. I mean, there's 6 of them in there. So that is everything I got from Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoy this Dollar Tree haul, and I hope that kind of gives you ideas of a few things you can pick up and use from your Dollar Tree for junk journaling. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe.